Hey guys, I'm Jay. Today is my LeetCode review vlog on the 150th problem. Evaluate reverse Polish notation. We are given an array of strings, tokens, that represents an arithmetic expression in a reverse Polish notation. We have to evaluate the expression and return an integer that represents the value of the expression. Let's see example 2 here to understand it easily. We got several number inputs, 4, 13, 5, and a division operator. So we have to do the division operation, which is 13 divided by 5 equals 2. And then we got 4, 2, and the plus symbol. So we have to do 4 plus 2 equals 6. Then let's get started with our intuition to solve the problem. So the keyword is stack. We can use a stack with 3 steps to solve the problem. And the first step, when we meet any numbers, we just push them onto the stack. And the second step, when we meet any operator like the plus symbol, subtraction symbol, we'll pop the required number of operands from the stack, which is the top 2 numbers, and then we'll perform the operation and then push the result back onto the stack. And for the final result and for the final step, the final result of the expression will be the only number left on the stack, so we just return it as the result. Then let's get started with our code and annotations to solve the problem. So the very first step, we have to create a stack, and the type of each element is integer. Let's call it stack and assign a new empty stack to it. And for the second step, we have to iterate through each token in a given array. We can use an enhanced for loop. Let's say for string tokens. Inside the for loop, we have to check if the token is an operator. First, if token dot equals of plus symbol, and we can copy it to reuse this code. Or if token dot equals subtraction symbol, or tokens dot equals times symbol, or token dot equals division symbol. And for these 4 cases, which means the token is an operator, so we need to pop the top 2 operands, which is number, from the stack and apply the operation and push the result back. First, we have to pop the 2 operands from the stack. Let's call it the second operator, B, which is very easy to write, stack.pop, and int A, which is the first operator, stack.pop. Then we'll perform the operation based on the operator and push the result back. We can use a switch expression. We have to check what the token is. If the token is a plus symbol, and the code is stack.push the result of A plus B. Then we break it. And if the token is a subtraction symbol, we'll push the result of A subtract B and break it. And if the token is a times symbol, stack.push A times B. Oops. Break it. And if the token is a division symbol, stack dot push A divided by B and break it. And out of the switch if condition, and there's another situation, which is the token is a number and we have to convert it into an integer because the token is a string, and then we'll push the integer onto the stack. And the code is stack.push integer dot parse int, and the parameter is the token itself. And out of the enhanced for loop, which means we have processed all tokens, and the final result is the only item left in the stack. So we just pop it and return it. Return stack.pop. And let's check the correctness and analyze the time and space complexity. So the time complexity, it is big O of n, and n stands for the number of tokens. And each token is only processed one time. So the overall time complexity, it is big O of n. Big O of n. And this time complexity, it is also, and space complexity, it is also big O of n. This is because in the worst case, all the tokens are numbers, so we have to push all of them onto the stack. And this is the end of my LeetCode review vlog on the evaluate reverse polish notation problem. And I highly recommend you guys to visit my online GitHub page here. You can see the problem description, intuition, code with annotations, and the final complexity analysis. And you can see all the notes for the other top 150 LeetCode problems here. And you can also visit my GitHub repository here, which contains the code and notes to build the online GitHub page here. And I'll put those two links on my YouTube description below. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.